them. There are so many beautiful flowers and they are very pretty colors. As you can see how pretty it looks, and it has a small flower over here, so that's why. And it's in pink, and as you can see, the colors are blending in so nicely, and it gives a very nice look. It's really pretty, and I really like this. And you can keep whatever you want while you were going to picnic. Or my brother have a dance competition, and he bought this cap for 150 rupees, and it looks really nice as you can see. Let's move on. The bed sheet is of the king size bed, and the pillow covers are also very big in size, as you can see. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Travel Fun Diaries. As you all know, 83rd Nampally exhibition is going on in Hyderabad, and we did a little bit shopping, so we wanted to show you. But before we start, go to our channel's playlist Travel Fun Diaries, and you can check out the earliest videos we made at 83rd Nampally exhibition. And let's start. And please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So I thought, why don't we start with the ladies special bangles and a lot of ornaments. Then if you already saw our early video of the full detailed priced stalls video in the exhibition, then you can get all these products over there. So let's start with the bangles. So I bought this pretty bracelet from the bangle store which I showed in the video. You can go and get one of these, and they are so pretty. So let's move on to the other bangles. They are artificial, but they look like they are real. They are really like of gold, as you can see. Now let's move on to the other ones, and these are my personal favorite, and they have like some, as you can see. Now there are so many beautiful flowers on them. There are so many beautiful flowers, and they are very pretty colors. Now let's move on to the ladies special. The ladies personally like this product a lot. They fix their hair with this artificial hair to look like their hair are really nice. And as you can see, this is a rubber band. Okay, and let's move on. As you can see how pretty it looks, and it has a small flower over here, so that's why. And it's in pink color. It's my favorite. And let's move on to the hairband. It is plain, but it is really pretty. It makes you look decent, very good. Okay, and it has a little bear over here. Now let's move on to another ladies special product. They love to put some flowers on their head. If they don't have any real flowers, they can use this to put it on their hair if they have a bun on their hair. Now let's move on to the rubber bands. And as you can see, these wrinkled rubber bands, they are so pretty. And I have one more over here. It has some rings around it, and it looks really pretty. So now I would like to show you some varieties of clutches. This clutcher over here, it comes with a stick. And next we have a plain clutcher, and the price between all these products are from 10 to 150. The bangles range is from 100 to 300. Let's start with the frocks which we bought from the MS Garments. And as you can see, this whole bundle of frocks. And let me start with a nice and decent color. As you can see, this frock, it's so pretty. It has workings on it, and it has very beautiful colors. And the price for all these frocks are 250 rupees for each, and it is really affordable, and you get many designs and very beautiful colors in just 250 rupees for each in MS Garments. Let's move on to the other frock. As you can see, it already has 3D workings on it, and the color is really pretty. It is like dark blue with white patches on it, and there are 3D workings on each and every frock. It is also pretty and very nice. It has net and embroidery work on it. Let's see another dress. As you can see, it's so pretty, like it's in blue color, and it has chest box design on it, and This sleeves have some elastics on it, so it gives a new look, and this is made for summer special. It is cool and cotton cloth, and it has some workings on its chest, and it comes with two strings to tighten as much as you want. Let's see another lovely frock. As you can see, this frock is looking very nice from the starting only as we were opening it. And as you can see, this frock also has net workings on it, and this also has some elastic on the sleeves of it, and this also has two strings, like to adjust the height of the open area you on the chest. And this also has some elastic over your waist, so it gives a very pretty look when you wear it. Let's move on to my favorite, and this is a unique one. It's kaftan. It's a kaftan, and as you can see, the colors are blending in so nicely, and it gives a very nice look. And these things like may come till your throat, and it looks very pretty. And as you can see, it has some strings at the of its sleeves and at the end of the kaftan, and it is very pretty, and it's my personal favorite. We have purchased some pants also from the JM factory. Now let's see them. This pant is in cheetah design, and now the next one. This is also of a cheetah design, but the color is different. It is dark black color. It is grey and black. Now let's see another one. This is of black and white, but it has flowers on it, and each is of 100 rupees. This is a baggy jegging, and it is really nice and cold. Now let's see some t-shirts and track pants of boys. Let's start with the t-shirts and the track pants. The t-shirts are 150 rupees per 2 pieces, and the track pants are of 150 rupees for 2 pieces. Let's see. And this is a very cute safari outfit for small boys, and it is just looking like a safari t-shirt. Let's start with another one. Let's see another one. This is of it. As you can see, this is dependent on a movie, and this is for the elder boys. The next one. This is of a dark color, and it is so pretty. The cloth is very nice, and it is really worth of money, and it is made up of cotton. These are the daily wear t-shirts for small kids. This t-shirt is also in grey color. This t-shirt has a very unique pattern. It has a pattern of different types of dinosaurs. And let's move on to the track pants now. This track pant is really made for summer, and it is really cool, and it is in blue color. Let's see more. And as you can see, this track pant, it is also very cool, and all these t-shirts and track pants, they all are made for summer special. The summer special stock has been arranged in the 83rd Nampally exhibition, and as you can see, it's nice, and it's in black color. This is a jeggings, and it is made up of jeans, and it is 149 rupees. We have done more t-shirt shopping from the JN factory for the boys t-shirts, and let's see the first one. Wow, it has different patterns on it, and it is nice, and the cloth is very nice. Let's move on. And this t-shirt is also the same, and they both are of full sleeves, and they are very nice, and it is really worth of money. And they are in variety. They have many varieties of colors. These are some cute and half degrees, for the small kids, and we bought them for my little brother. As you can see, this is really pretty and in brown color. Let's see more. This is of trucks. He really likes trucks to play with. And the next is for like sleeping, and it has some deers, bears, many animals on it. And these are of 99 rupees for each. And this is a jeans for my little brother again. And this is for my elder brother. We have purchased some tops for me from the MS Garments, and it is 100 rupees per each. And as you can see, this is a very nice cloth, and it is really silky, and it really helps you, and it really keeps you cool in the summer. Let's see the next one. It has very nice design on it. And the next is a simple red one, but this is also very nice. It has a small pattern over here, and it has some buttons also. And it is very cool. And now let's move on to the pretty bags. We bought all these bags from the Bombay bag shop. We have covered that stall in our early video of the Nampally exhibition in the stall tour with the detailed price. Now let's move on to the small picnic bag. It's really pretty, and I really like this. And you can keep whatever you want while you are going to picnic or place to visit. The price for this picnic bag is 450 rupees. Let's see another one. And this is a sports bag. You can take this to hiking or wherever you like. And this is of 250 rupees. Let's see another one. This is really nice bag. It says Happy Easter, and this is of 750 rupees. We bought all these bags from the Bombay shop only. And this bag also, and it is really nice, and it is made of resin. And this is a travel bag of 200 rupees. My brother have a dance competition, and he bought this cap for 150 rupees, and it looks really nice as you can see. Let's move on. Now let's start with the home decor things. So this includes bed sheets and blankets. Let's see. Now before we start, let's see this. We have bought this from Rachna Handlooms, and you can see that store in our stall tour video. And let's start. This is of real cotton, and it is really cool for the summer. There are many varieties of colors in these blankets. This is of grey with stripes of red, green and black. Let's see another one. This also we bought it from the Rachna Handlooms, and this also has really nice patterns on it. It is of red and grey color. Let's move on to this blanket, and it is really nice, and it is thin also. These are of boxes, like it is golden color and the grey color from this side. This also we bought it from the Rachna Handlooms only, and this is of white and blue colors, and it is really soft. The variety of this range is 250 to 700. Now these are bed sheets. It comes with 2 pillow covers, and we bought this from Rachna Handlooms, and it is of 700 rupees. And the sizes you will get of single, double and king size. Now let's check it out. And these also have many varieties of colors and beautiful patterns with it, and the cloth is also very cold for the summer. Now we'll see more to blankets, bed sheets, which we have bought. And as you can see, this also has some colors, decent colors, and this cloth is also cold. Now let's check out some pillow covers. The bed sheet is of the king size bed, and the pillow covers are also very big in size, as you can see. Now let's move on to the another. Let's see another one over here, and this is the colorful 1+2 bed sheets. Let's see. As you can see, this bed sheet is of many. It has some block pattern on it, and it has many colors in it. Let's see the pillow covers. The pillow covers are of the same pattern, and they are also very big in size. And this bed sheet is also of king size. That's all for now, everyone. Hope you enjoyed our video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and comment below which video you like the most from our 83rd Nampally exhibition series. And don't forget to visit the stalls we've covered in our stalls tour, and they also promise that they will give some discounts, so make sure to visit those stalls. Visit the 83rd Nampally exhibition, and it has extended till 18th of February. Make sure to visit. The link is down below in the description. Make sure to visit us on Instagram and Facebook. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to Travel Fun Diaries, and till then, safe travels. Bye bye.